Very warm welcome to all of you. Today in this video I am going to demonstrate my financial agent dashboard. So basically this dashboard will help you take a financial decision. So here you can see so all are listed stock in a New York Stock Exchange. So basically if I select one stock and select all feature, so basically what this feature will do, let me generate a chart first. So here you can see the BlackRock price trading volume, technical analysis, and here you can see the stock price and what are the summary and analysis recommendation means, and we can say company information, business, financial metrics, and news about company. And another one is there if we want to ask another custom question compared to stock, here we can see the compare. So this is the feature of our financial agent. We can add usually this financial agent dashboard provide by detailed financial analysis. So we use Gemini API and Phi agent. We use Y Finance data to fetch data real time, and this is our we created our backend in Flask, and we create means this is a nice UI created by Bootstrap and JavaScript. Thank you so much.